In the previous video, we established a connection to Closed Caption Creator using penpal.js. Now we will set up our first project. Let's start by updating the title of the status modal and toggle it on screen. To do this, we'll use the update modal title and toggle status modal methods available using the remote object. Feel free to change the title to anything you like. Next, update the modal status to show users we're setting up the project. We'll use the update modal status method and pass in an object with properties for progress and message. There are 5 functions that Closed Caption Creator exposes to developers in order to configure a project: set project name, set project description, set project frame rate, set project drop frame, and set project encode. Setting the project frame rate and encode are important if you are exporting caption files that use SMPTE timecode, such as Scenarist, EBU-STL, or time text files. It becomes less important when exporting files such as SRT or WebVTT that use clock time. If you have questions about this, please feel free to contact our support team. The next thing we'll want to do is import our subtitles and media files. Closed Caption Creator supports over 35 different subtitle file formats. The editor also allows for multiple subtitle groups in a single project. This unlocks new workflows, including multilingual QC, where you may have more than one language you want to review. To import captions, you can use the import subtitle method and pass in the URL for the caption file, as well as the profile name used to read the file. Profile names are available on our website and via the API. Next, we'll import the media. Because Closed Caption Creator runs in the browser, the media file format is really important. Most browsers will support MP4 files natively. However, Closed Caption Creator also supports HLS streaming manifests, as well as audio formats such as FLAC, MP3, and WAV. We'll import our media using the import media method and pass in the media URL and thumbnail URL. The thumbnail URL is optional. Great. Now when we reload the page, we'll see the project load with the captions on the right and video on the left.
This was my father's kingdom, a place of fairness, but the Queen changed everything.
In the next video, we'll look at importing rich metadata, including markers and audio peak files.
Some kindness.